An earthquake is a natural phenomenon that results from the sudden movement of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface. This movement releases a large amount of energy, which creates seismic waves that can cause the ground to shake and vibrations to travel through the Earth's crust. Earthquakes can range from mild to extremely strong and can cause widespread damage, depending on their magnitude and the area where they occur. They can also trigger other natural disasters, such as tsunamis and volcanic eruptions. To prepare for earthquakes, it is important to understand the risks in your area and take steps to secure your home and property.